In front of me is TECNO Spark Go, and today I would like to show you how you can check saved Google passwords. You need to begin by accessing Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Now tap on one of your passwords that you wish to see. I will go with my Facebook one. Enter your current login method. And last but not least, to check your password, click on this eye icon next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!